everyone, it's Maria with Angelfish Design and welcome back to my channel. Over the next few videos, I'd like to share with all of you how I created my July Traveler's Notebook Planner insert from start to finish. Today I have for you the mermaid themed kit that I've assembled from my stash. Here you'll see all of the small trays that I use on my desk to hold all the bits and bobs I use when I'm working on any of my projects. I have, for this kit, lots of small shells, shell charms, beads, little coins, these two cute mermaid charms, bits of chain, some extra shells that already have the wire on them so I can use those for charms, a pair of earrings that I plan to take apart, some small silver starfish pendants, which I don't know if I'll use because I'm not sure if I want to use silver in this project, but we'll see how it goes. I also have some shell buttons in this little bag, some shiny flowers that were the right color, sequins, including some iridescent pink shells that I'm sure will be super cute for my traveler's notebook. Some paper clips, one with a little page flag on it. I always use clips in my journal, probably decorate those. I have a tray of gems and a heart paper clip, and somewhere in there, I'm searching for it, is a tiny little seahorse. There he is. And this adorable little cupcake tray, a children's cupcake tray, vintage, has some small paper bits and other things. I have a second tray for slightly larger pieces of embellishments and whatnot. One section has all of my scraps of twine and other threads and some gauze. I'm excited to use that because I'm sure that will be really useful in a sea-themed journal. Have this beaded trim, and we'll see if I repurpose these blue bows with their elastic bands. I don't know if I will or not, but we'll see. Have two collections in small containers of some pearl beads and gold-colored beads, things like that, because pearls and mermaids go well together. There's a few more of those page flags that I can use on other paper clips if I want. And this is just a small selection of some ephemera bits, a tag, and a variety of die-cut letters that I found that were the right color scheme, and some of them I think I'll be able to add some stamping and whatnot and spell out the word mermaid. I have some printouts of the sketches that I did from Mermaid in my stash here, and this is a small vellum envelope that has already adhesive on the back. I have this package of the self-adhesive gems and some confetti that just reminds me of bubbles, so I think that'll be cute, probably in a shaker pocket. And I have my washi samplers, and those pretty foil mermaid ones came from Michael's, I think last summer. And the rest are just some others that I had in my stash. I love having a washi sampler like that. And just some extra cards. I believe these were close to my heart, so I can use that somehow, maybe in some pockets or whatnot. And I also have some of these sparkly washies, which I didn't put on the sampler cards. I just decided to leave those on the rolls and keep those in my basket. So then I have this other basket where I have sorted out a variety of scraps. So my first bag is kind of smaller scraps, and the second bag is slightly larger scraps, all the right colors, and some lined note paper, which I love using in my planners. As long as they're the right colors, I can cut out any images that really don't go. And then I have here my Cocoa Daisy July kit from last July. I had decided at the time to kind of hoard it, and now I've decided that maybe I should use it in my planner this July. So we'll see if I use it or if I just continue to keep hoarding it. It's super cute, and I thought maybe I would use it for a Florida-themed memory keeping book, but we'll see what happens. And these stickers are super cute. It's Dory, but the seaweed and the shells and the little fish will all be perfect for a mermaid-themed planner/journal. And this bag just has a variety of different kind of stickers. And this was a sticker kit pad from the Target dollar spot. So I can use up the rest of that. And then this is my stack of papers, cards, some mermaid images, a leftover piece of a napkin with some shells on it, book page, some mermaid printouts that I've had, more things that I printed from my mermaid sketches, and then these are the pages that I'm going to use to assemble the TN with. A few extra things, a laser cut is kind of cute. I don't know if I'll use that. I'm planning to use these for the cover. And then these are just beautiful Christine Adolph prints. I hope you have enjoyed this kit and will stay tuned for the next videos showing how I've created my planner. So have a great day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.